Hi, everyone. Happy Wednesday. So today we want to talk a little bit about some of the continuing changes. And I know that we've spent weeks now talking about some of the changes that we've seen. And we think that it's because of a couple of years of not seeing a lot of changes take place in various laws. So today I wanted to speak to Jane and ask her of just some of the tax updates and accounting updates as our accounting guru of what you've seen and to alert the clients, listeners, just what to be aware of and what changes you've seen take place so far this year.
Thanks, Irene. Hi, everyone. So basically, March 15th deadline is as corporation and partnerships tax filings, and April 15th is our personal tax return tax filings. And, a lot of our clients have gotten extensions, and there's still plenty of work to be done on the books and taxes. But I did think it was a good idea to go through some of the IRS changes. And, they've made inflation adjustments for more than 60 tax provisions, including tax rates, schedules, and other changes. And I really just wanted to talk about a few things that could be helpful on just planning and maybe talking to your accountants, talking to your attorneys, and keeping some things in mind. So, as you know, there's a standard deduction that is used by people who don't itemize their taxes, and it reduces the amount of income that you pay taxes on. So, there was a 7% increase, which is really a lot from last year. So, the standard deduction is now 27,700, and it used to be 25,900. And also for the single taxpayers and married, the standard deduction is set as 13,850, which is also close to a 7% jump. And for the head of households, it's 20,800. So also in the tax year 2023, the maximum earned income tax credit is 7,430 for qualified taxpayers who have three or more qualifying children, which is again up from 6,935 for tax year 2023. And because of the inflation, we now have the qualified transportation benefit, which is now close to $300, as well as with the health flexible spending arrangements, it increased to 3,050. And also a big change for the state of descendants who died during 2023. The basic exclusion amount is 12,920,000, which is really, again, a change from 12,060,000, which makes a huge difference when you're planning for any of these things. And the one that is really my favorite when it comes to tax planning is the gift increase. So now the gift increase is 17,000, which is up from 16,000. So, when you're making a lot of these decisions and there's people who kind of do some planning, they do annual gifts, it's a big increase of how much you could do. And lastly, the one that I wanted to talk about is the credit allowed for adoptions, which I also see a lot of these questions from my clients. It's now up to 15,950. I think a lot of these changes have to do with inflation. A lot of the numbers are going up, and I think it's really important for our clients to keep in mind that they could be doing certain things and they could be getting tax credits and helping them in the tax planning and the income. So this is some of the stuff I guess we discussed. If there's more items, I will kind of do more and research for the next time that we're going to be talking about. But this is some of the stuff that could be helpful and we've seen in our line of work. So I think next week we'll talk about some other changes that we keep seeing coming up. So I think there's going to be a lot of updates in 2023. So stay tuned.
For sure.
Thanks, everyone.